Another year, the time is flown. A day to mark how we have grown. The candles burn, the lights ignite. We sing the song that fills the night. Once a spark, now a blazing flame. A journey marked by love and faith. Through every tear, through every cheer, this song is ours, year after year. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Freddie Mercury. Your light shine eternally. Eternally. The world spins on, yet here we stand. The chorus song, my heart's unplayed. Each note a gift, each word a song. Together we are who we are. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Raise a toast, let voices breathe. The love that every can breathe. Through the years, we rise and fall. It's the song that unites us all. Life, both near and far, a celebration of who we are. Happy birthday for all. Happy birthday for all. Together we sing forever stands tall. A melody that echoes for us all. For us all. It starts to rain, a gentle trace, raindrops falling on my face. Rain, a dance, a sweet refrain, melody of joy, hymn of pain. Rain on windows, a soft ballet, chasing shadows, guiding stray. A poet's muse, a singer's plea. Rain, your spirit sets us free. You paint the day, then you are gone. Torrents crash, a thunder's drum, a battle waged where clouds are from. Rain, you're a dance, a sweet refrain, a melody of is raw. Behind the tracks, there's something more. A place where shadows come alive. The beat kicks in, we all arrive. Electric lights, the neon's glow. A hidden world that few will know. We shake the walls, we crack the ground. Down in the tunnels with subway bites. Subway rock where the nights are on. Rebel stage carved into stone. Subway rock, let the engines hum. Down in the dark where the wild ones come. Oh yeah. Steel guitars, pounding drums, echo loud as the subway hums. We're off the grid, no eyes can see our underground sanctuary light. The city rules that can't apply. We dance like stars, no need for sky. Sparks fly high, the heat's alive. We're burning brighter down inside. Subway rock where the nights are old. Rebel stage carved into stone. Subway rock, let the engines hum. Down in the dark where the wild ones Where the roads are deep, where the trains don't run. Our heartbeat racing, we're alone in cars. No ticking clocks, just a stop and roll. The subway shakes, it's out of control. The final song, the echoes fade. The walls still hum with the noise we made. The air is thick, the lights grow dim. The fire burns, it's under our skin. The subway rock where the nights are old. A rebel stage carved into stone. Subway rock, let the engines hum. Down in the dark where the wild ones come. Subway rock. Ah, yeah. Subway rock. Ah, yeah.
If you want to send some stuff to me so I can check out what you have sent, please send it to this exact address. However, you may only send some stuff that I am interested in. No airplane, okay? Because if you send something like this, I will make sure that I will tell you that I do not like this film at all. So make sure you send stuff like this, or this, or this, or this. And yes, even Airplane 2 the sequel.
Oh, and get this, a special
collector's edition of Twister, complete with a steelbook that features not only the secondary poster artwork, but the image of the pipe scene on the back. Heck yeah, I'm getting this. Well, actually, we do have the double feature set, which consists of Twister and Twister, so we're pretty dang close. And also Airplane 2 the sequel, which had this cover. Just look at those nuts! I can't keep up with them all! And even the one in the original theatrical poster! Like, look at it! And just look at this poster for the worst film of all time! I mean, come on, do they really need to tie that plane up into another? I mean, that part never actually happened in the film! I mean, they clearly just used a toy model plane! Like, come on, really? And yes, this is what the plane actually looks like in the film. And here's another image of that same goddamn plane model, also from the film. God damn it, I hate this film. And its different titles, like this one known as Flying High, but I would refer to the film with this title. I just hated it so much. So make sure you send in to this address, and I hope to God I will look at them. And in the words of the good old immortal named Connor McLeod,
There can be only one.